Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have a couple of advents for you. I have an EXO Marshmallow advent. Yeah, Marshmallow advent. And the Voluspa calendar advent. So let's get into these and see what's inside. Okay, technically we know what's inside. Marshmallows and candles, but I can't wait to sniff all of these. We'll give one of these a try. It's a new brand that I don't know anything about, but I was very excited about it. I will timestamp this below in case you're here for just one of them. We will start with the marshmallows and go from there. As I am taping this, they are both still available, but we are right here at Black Friday, Cyber Monday, so I don't know what kind of sales they're offering. They could go quickly, but either way, at least you will see them for next year if they're not still available. I saw this early on in the season and I went back and forth about whether to get more sugar. I'm trying to be so much better than this, but it looks so cute. And it's 25 days of marshmallows. And like I said, it's by EXO Marshmallow. I'll put links down below. There are no affiliates with any of this for me. And it says EXO Marshmallow Advent Calendar. And I ordered it weeks, maybe even months ago, but it had a ship date of early November, I think. It opens up and then we have our 25 little windows. Cute little picture over here. The back, does it tell us everything? I would think they would have to give us ingredients, wouldn't you? But I don't see any on the back. It doesn't have ingredients. I'll pursue further. It says the 2021 Marshmallow Advent Calendar has some of our most cherished and most exclusive marshmallows to date. From December 1st to the 25th, open the door to a new and exciting EXO marshmallow flavor every day. Okay. As I'm opening this, let me tell you, they do a subscription box. If this is something you guys would like to see, let me know below. If not, I totally get it. It's marshmallows. But each month, apparently, they do a special flavor. I mean, if you guys need me to get marshmallows, you need me to get marshmallows. I'm gonna go ahead and open these and see if they're all just little white squares, there's no need in opening all of them, but let's give it a try. So let's get into number one. It is a little white square. Is it going to tell us what the flavor is? It doesn't say on the door. Let's take a little marshmallow. It doesn't tell us. Interesting. Oh, it does. I was going to think, how do we know if we like it? But in the very back, when you open it, I hope you guys can see, in the back in here, after you take the marshmallow out, like that one says cranberry. I hope you guys can see that, but trust me, it says cranberry back there. And it came in its own little zip top bag. And it's just a nice white little marshmallow. I wish I could remember to tell you guys how much this is. I'm letting you know here. That's how long ago I purchased it. That I don't remember how much it was. Okay, we're not gonna eat cranberry because I'm probably gonna eat one, but I'm not wasting that one on cranberry. So that was day one. Day two is another just nice little white marshmallow. Okay, I'm gonna quit holding it up because you guys know what little white marshmallows look like. Oh no, this one has kind of a brownish tinge to it. I don't know if that'll come across when you take it out. Oh, it is maple pancake. I will never get to eat this. I'm okay with maple. It's not my favorite, but my husband will love this one. Just for the record, I can smell the maple on that now. And number three, this one has a slightly, it looks like a purplish tinge to it. Let's take it out. That is what that looks like. I don't know if that's gonna come across at all. It's blueberry. So I'd say it is a marshmallow and the flavoring is on the coating. We're gonna eat one of these, but we're gonna see what they are before we decide which one. Day four is pink. Very pink, and that is what that looks like. It is cotton candy. And just for the record, I'm closing these back in. You can see I've done 1 through 4, and it's almost like you can't tell. I just went into that one. Almost like you can't tell I was there because this one I want to do at Advent season. Number 5, we have a brownish tinge again. It is oatmeal cookie. Number 6, this is matcha, which is a little bit green. I hope these colors are coming across, or it just looks like I'm holding up little baggies of white marshmallow. Number 7, we have Coke Float. This might be in the running for my favorite. Did I show you guys the size really well? I'd say it's probably about 1 inch by 1.5 inches by 2 inches, if I were guessing. Coke Float. Number 8, and it's my smallest one so far, and I am completely fine with that. It is raspberry, which is one of the few flavors that I don't really love. Number 9 is chai. Okay, this might have just overtaken Coke Float for the one we're gonna try. Remember that, number 9, in case I have to go looking for it later. And then 10 is gorgeous. It's called Lavender. To me, in real life, it looks more fuchsia. No, it's pretty lavender. But wow, that is pretty. And I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. Some of the flavors I think would be really nice just eaten on their own. Some might be really nice floating in hot cocoa. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I've left door number 9 open with the chai though, so neither one of us has to remember. Don't worry about the pressure of that. Day 11, we have Funfetti. How cute is that? That is so cute. Day 12, we have Butterbeer, so I guess it's our Harry Potter theme. Day 13 is Mango. I'm on the fence about that. It depends on how mango-y it is versus how peachy it is. Sometimes I think that things that are mango taste a little peachy. This sounds so interesting. This one is Sriracha. Interestingly enough, they did not make it red. They left it white, just like a regular marshmallow, so it can sneak up on you. And then day 15 is Coffee. See, would that be good floating in a cup of coffee, or would the coffee overtake it? I don't know. I'll probably have to take a bite of each one. These might just be better eaten alone, so you're sure to get all of the flavor. I've been opening a row of these at a time, so as I take them out, it'll be easier. And I'm here to tell you, I can see the colors of these, and this row looks spectacular. Starting with, our first is our most boring, and this one is Vanilla. Still sounds good, just your basic marshmallow. Next we have Ube, which is after ube, the Japanese sweet potato. That is, can you see better against my black of my shirt? That is so purple in real life. Next we have Pink Lemonade. So see the lemon of it, but it has swirls of pink in there. It's all that really comes through the bag is sweet. It smells like, you know, you're at the carnival and you're walking by the cotton candy. It has very much that scent. Day 19 is Cookies and Cream. And that's just a big cookies and cream marshmallow. I just hope these are so good. Like I said, we're gonna try one in a minute and we're gonna decide whether we think they're good. And this one is probably one of my personal favorites. It's toffee. Like if you had to pick, what would you pick? If you had to pick your favorite candy bar, I would lean really close to a Heath. Probably a Heath or a Reese's. Is a Reese's a candy bar? Not technically, but I'm still using that as my answer. Heath or Reese's. I love toffee. One of my favorite toffees, especially this time of year because you can get it in the canister, is at Trader Joe's. They do a toffee. Actually, they do two. I saw one there the other day. I'm not a huge fan of pistachios, but now they have a pistachio coated toffee. So that sounds delicious. And our last 5 marshmallows we have on day 21, Orange Chocolate. One of the very few times I think it's okay to fruit the chocolate. Not generally a fan of fruiting chocolate. Day 22, we have Eggnog. That sounds so exciting. I kind of want to eat it, but I kind of do want to save this one for closer to Christmas. Also, I should probably share that one with my husband. He loves eggnog. I will have to, I'm going to try and be better at Christmas time about doing a little bit of vlogging over on my Insta. It's just at Kathrin McCarty if you don't follow me there. I'm going to have to vlog eating some of these because this one, this green one, is pickle. I'm a little nervous about, I mean, I like pickles, but would you want a sweet pickle? I guess people do eat sweet gherkins. I'm not a huge fan, but pickle marshmallow? It smells like a pickle. Okay, well, yes. I will try to remember to comment back to this when I open this on day 23, but I almost certainly will talk about it on my Insta. Pickle. So on their website, they do a lot of different flavors, and they have seasonal flavors. And like I said, they do the subscription where they probably send you the seasonal flavor of that month. Ooh, this is a big purple one. And it, ooh, sugar plum. It's just a nice big purple marshmallow. And I just thought it was really different and it would be kind of fun. This is peppermint. So day 25, your very last one is peppermint. And I just realized I didn't do any of my lighting behind me. I just laid out my little felted garland. Okay, I'm back. I turned on my fire and my lights, and I just discovered the other day that these lights that I use do colors. Is the red too much for Christmas? I kind of like it. Okay, so those were our 25 marshmallows. I put the calendar back pretty well. It'll be nice to open again. I left that number 9 open so we'd remember where the chai was. I think that's the one I want to go ahead and try. So let's give this a try. It smells like chai. Mostly like cinnamon to me, but definitely like chai. And try and do this without touching it because I've been up here unboxing boxes. And when we take it out, that's what's gonna, oh, I don't know if I can show that at all. That's what it's gonna look like, just a marshmallow. Oh my gosh. Flavor, the color that you see is throughout it. I don't know if you guys can see the inside, but the inside color matches the outside color. Oh my gosh, that tastes like chai. Don't think, I mean, it's a marshmallow. I was gonna say don't think marshmallow, but it is a marshmallow. But it's not like, you're not getting ready to make Rice Krispie treats with these. These are so delicious. Hold on, I'm gonna call my husband up and have him eat the other half of this. It's so good. I'm luring him up with marshmallows. He's laughing about having to come up here. It's chai. Just taste it. Tell me what you think. It's chai flavor marshmallow. I was just thinking marshmallow, like it was gonna be like Rice Krispie treat marshmallows.
It's good.
It's really good, isn't it?
It's very good.
And the chai is all the way through it.
Yeah, I'd eat those.
Yeah, you'd eat those. Well, we have 25. All right, guys, that one's 2 thumbs up. Now that we've made it through snack time, we have the, I think it's Voluspa. I meant to look this up before I did the video. I saw the woman that owns it once do a speech, give a speech, and I think she referred to it as Voluspa. But this is 12-day advent calendar, 12 fragrant votives. Each one is 1 ounce. These are ritzy candles. They're very ritzy. So let's see if we think they're worth it. Again, I will put the price here. I remember it was a little pricey, but I waited this year. I waited this year for my Rouge sale. So I got it 20% off. I think that's what the Rouge was. And last year I tried doing the same thing. And last year by the time the sale went up, it was sold out. But this year it was not. So I got to purchase this with the sale. And I'm telling you, just having taken the plastic oversleeve off of this, it's already so beautifully fragrant. And they've just made little pull-ups for you, so you can just open each one and take out your candle. Let's see how easy it comes out. Is this a jams or jelly situation? It is not. That was very close. So our first one is the Santal Vanille. That is what they look like. They are so pretty. They have really pretty designs on them. Let me set this down. I'm gonna do this like this, several different ways in hopes that you guys can see how pretty these little votives are. I think this is $79, not on sale. And you get 12 of these little 1 ounce votives. Oh, it smells so good. This smells like you're gonna put it in your bedroom. You know, it's kind of a little bit musky, but still kind of sweet because it's got that vanilla in there. Oh, it smells so good. I am anxious. I have never had, the cold throw on this is fantastic. It has such a lovely scent. I'm anxious to see how they do when they burn because I've never had one of their candles full-sized. That smells great. Oh, and it tells us at the top when you open it. It says Voluspa, Santal Vanille. It is Santal, French Bourbon, Vanilla, and Weed. Weed. I'm gonna go ahead and open all of these so we can go through this quicker. But I'm not real worried about putting this one back together. I don't think I'm actually gonna treat this one like an advent. I think I'm just gonna start enjoying the votives. Trying not to look at any of the names. We're going into number 2. And this one is Panjour Lychee. And it's lychee, cassis, and juicy Asian pear. Oh, that's exactly how I would have described it. You guys know how good I am at scents, right? The lychee is coming through. And the Asian pear, you would not confuse it with a regular Bosque pear. No, but seriously, it smells fantastic. I would have just said, ooh, it's pretty and fruity. You know. Number 3, we have a very festive red one, and it is Goji Tarocco Orange. It is goji berry, ripe mango, and Tarocco orange. Oh, wow. The orange is what comes through in that. That is gorgeous. Yep, love it. These are also, they're real fruity. You know, you would think, perhaps, I guess they just do their colors, but you would think this time of year they would lean on some festive scents, but they must not do festive scents. Day number 4, we have spiced pumpkin latte. It's like they heard me getting ready to say, are they all going to be fruity? Oh, that smells good. It's not, it's spicier. It's less sweet than some that you smell. I like that a lot. And it says that it's fresh kabocha pumpkin pulp, coconut crema, and spiced brulee. I love coconut. I don't smell it in this, but that could just be me. Next we have Baltic Amber. This is day 5, and it's amber resin, sandalwood, and vanilla orchid. Oh, wow. This might be one of my favorites. It's really subtle, but the sandalwood comes through, and it's just really classic. I like it a lot. This is gonna be so much fun. I hope they fragrance my home as good as they smell. Day 6, we are gonna have Gilt, Pomander, and Hinoki. This one has kind of a mercury glass look to it, and it says that it's gilded holly berries, cardamom, and Japanese hinoki. Oh, that's nice. This one smells like Christmas. This one smells like Christmas. Love it. Next we have French Cade Lavender, and that is what it looks like. And it says that it is French Cade wood, verbena, and Bulgarian lavender. So not your run-of-the-mill lavender. Bulgarian lavender. Oh, actually, after mocking it, it's quite nice. These scents smell next level. They're very posh smelling. I like that a lot. After saying it smells posh, I would like that one in like one of my bathrooms. It just has a very clean but lavendery smell. I don't know, that's what it made me think of. Next we have White Cypress. This one is clear but has a slightly greenish tinge, so I guess that's because of the cypress. And it says it's White Cypress, freshly snapped and trimmed. Oh, Christmas, it smells like Christmas tree. I like this one a lot. I'm gonna take it right downstairs, put it next to my Christmas tree, and light it. People are gonna go like, "Ah, did you get a real tree this year?" And I'm gonna say, "No, do I look like I got a real tree?" I haven't gotten a real tree since the spider incident. We will not talk about that. It triggers me. Next out, we are up to day 9, and we have Vanilla Fireside. And they've given it a smoky color. That is so cool. Oh, vanilla by the fireside. It does kind of have a smoky, woodsy scent in there with the vanilla. I like that a lot. This might be one of my new favorite Advents because I love candles. Okay, next out, oh, it's pretty, like an old-fashioned milk glass, and it's Tahitian Coconut Vanilla. Can't wait to put my nose to this one. Tahitian vanilla bean, coconut milk, and white peach nectar. Why you gotta put peach in there? I don't smell peach. That is so nice. It doesn't smell particularly like any of those individual things. It's not a vanilla, it's not a coconut, it's not a peach. It's just a sweet, fruity, I like it a lot. Oh no, I think I might have found a new candle addiction, and it is not a cheap one. That said, I do have my Christmas Bath and Body Works coming. I ordered like 6 candles, I think. Let me know below if you want me to do that as a haul. Next, I have a vanilla latte. That sounds good. And it is creamy vanilla, roasted coffee, cinnamon, and tonka. Vanilla latte. I would like a shot of this, please. It smells so good. I like that their candles that have the vanilla in it aren't too sweet. You know, some of the gourmand ones can be so sweet. And the last one, our number 12, is Forbidden Fig. And it is a really pretty purpley amber color. They're bringing in a helicopter to take my candles. It is Ripened Fig, Velvety Musk, Midnight Rose, and Fig Leaf. Yeah, again, I couldn't have picked any of those individuals out. First of all, I have no idea what fig leaf smells like. I don't smell the rose in it. It's just a nice, this one does lean more floral than the other ones did, but it's still lovely. All right, those are our 12 days of Advent with Voluspa. I set them back in. I'm thinking this will make a decent picture, but I set them back in kind of angled, and they're so pretty. They all look exactly the same. They're just different colored. Are they all? I don't think there's any repeat colors. Even the ones that are clear, they've put a little tinge of color to. Those are the last of the Advents that I currently own. You know, some go on sale and I happen to purchase them. I'll show them to you after the fact because I always figure we can always pick them for next year. If we see this year that we like them, we can pick them earlier. That's how we end up with candles and marshmallows. You see something and you think, ooh, I gotta remember that next year. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. We are into Christmas. I hope you're having a wonderful winter holiday season. Whatever the holiday is that you celebrate, I should say happy Hanukkah because as I film this, it is the first day of Hanukkah also. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. And I hope I see you again really soon.